Hey, welcome to my lab. Another video from my workshop. It was a beautiful day today. No rain. I feel pretty good. Uh, it was actually nice enough outside. I was thinking about putting my Speedo on and catching a few rays, but instead I decided we were going to finish up this cabinet. I ended up using these, which is a type of construction screw. It's the modern day replacement to a lag screw, I guess would be the best way to explain it. I don't know exactly the name of the brand or anything like that because they were just some that I had laying around, and I mounted the saw to the top, and I finished putting the banding on it by gluing it down and putting a few brads in it to hold it. Rounded off the edges, the corners, and then ran a round over bit and rounded over the edges, and spent most of the day sanding. So it came out really nice. I haven't painted it yet, but it's ready to paint. I'm not going to paint it until we build the dust collection for it, because there's no way that we can use that saw without putting some type of a dust catcher or something on it. But I would consider that a different project. So let's go ahead and call the cabinet done, and we'll take a look at it and see what it looks like, and we will call this project complete, and the next project will be making the dust collector for it. There it is, all nice and complete. It looks really pretty. We'll get a couple close-up shots over here and show you what we did to the edging. There's the edge band, cutting real nice and pretty, and looking really good. It looks almost good enough that I could almost not paint it, just put a stain on it. But I'll be honest with you, I'm going to stain it. So there it is. It's a big one. Thanks for watching.